Lots of expectations, lots of hopes. A lot of hard work has been put into this project. It's one of my most challenging characters, and shoot locations chala tough. Number of days, working hours, everything has been quite challenging in this movie, especially. So I really want that I should get that appreciation from the audience, because I put my heart and soul into this project. So please, all of the viewers, I request you to go and watch Radha Krishna, support it. It's a very cute love story, and it's talking about a very relevant social message which we all need to, I think, realize. So guys, please go and watch my film and support it and keep showering your love.
నిర్మల్ గురించి చెప్పండి, ఎట్లా అనిపించింది అక్కడ షూటింగ్? నిర్మల్ కొయ్య బొమ్మలు.
Nirmal is a very beautiful town. It's I think the milk is very famous there. There's a Basra temple also near. Basra pearls are very famous over there. It's a very nice town, very simple, very slow, laid back, and there's the Kuntalu waterfalls, which is very beautiful. We shot over there. Lots of nice locations. Overall, my experience in Nirmal was very peaceful. It's like just complete village, so simple life, and very nice people, very helpful people. We would go and ask anybody if we can shoot in their house, and they would say yes. So they were very sweet, and it was a great experience shooting in Nirmal.
నేటివ్ తెలుగు గర్ల్గా చేశారు. సో సో ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అంటే ఇట్లా నా మేక్ ఓవర్ కానీ మీకు మిమ్మల్ని మీరే కొత్తగా చూసుకుంటారు మేబీ.
I wanted to play that kind of character where I'm playing total Telugu Ammai, and I wanted to connect with the audience. So till the time I would not wear that half sari and get into that proper ethnic look, people would not accept me that way. So that is why I wanted to play that kind of a character, and I hope people like me in that character.
సో హీరో మీకంటే జూనియరే అంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్లో, సో తనకి మీరు ఏమైనా టిప్స్ ఇచ్చారా?
He's not junior, I would not say that. We are good friends, and he's a very sweet guy, and it was very comfortable working with him. And I think in this movie, the story is the hero, and a lot of part of the heroine is there also. So I'm more attracted towards that, and that's the reason I wanted to do this project. More than love story, it's more like a social drama as well, because there's a bigger topic that it's discussing, and that you have to watch the movie and understand that.
సో మీ ఇద్దరి మధ్య బాండింగ్ ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది, హీరో అండ్ మీరు సినిమాలో?
It's a good bonding. I think we have good chemistry on screen, but we are good friends, and he's very helpful. He's very understanding, and sometimes if I'm taking some time to memorize my dialogues and things like that, so he's very patient. He'll explain it to me. Very sweet. So yeah, he's a very nice person. It was a good experience working with him.
మ్యూజిక్ మీ ఫేవరెట్ సాంగ్ ఏంటి?
Tangidu Puvu. I can sing also 2 lines if you want.
ప్రొడ్యూసర్ గారు నుంచి.
Producer Garu. Hi sir.
Tell about him.
Okay. Well, Krishna Kumar sir is a very sweet producer. He makes sure that his actors are comfortable, his director and everybody on the set, he keeps everybody happy. He's very passionate about his work. He makes sure that he's on the set all the time, taking charge of all the things, and I call him directly and I tell him that, sir, this I need this, and he makes it happen. So even though he is doing first project, I think he's a wonderful person, and I wish him all the best, because anybody who works with him will be very lucky. They're very sweet. Even Sagarika ma'am, she's like a sister. She told me when I was signing this project, like we have a lot of hopes from you, and it's a big project. I hope you will keep our word. So I hope that I have kept her word. She's very sweet, and very sentimental, and very nice people.
శ్రీనివాస్ రెడ్డి గారు
Srinivas Reddy Garu is legendary. I think he is one of the best directors that I have worked with. What I love about him is that he actually enacts the scene. He gets so much in the character that he enacts the scene. He sings the song. He's so passionate about movies that he wants the best from his actors. And like I said before, till the time he's not satisfied with the take, he will keep telling you to do it again and again. But if he's not happy, he will not say yes. He is very strict about the performance, and he's got a very good vision also, and a very good eye for music or locations, anything. His imagination, he's super creative. So it's really nice to work with him. Even Ragala Nalo Gantalo, when we worked together, I would just see him from morning like 5 a.m. till night 10 p.m. sometimes we were shooting, and he was always so committed and just like very passionate towards his work.
Can you sing a song?
Yeah, I can sing one song. So this song is called Tangidu Puvu. తంగేడు పువ్వు లాంటి నా బుగ్గ మీద నా సింధూరం పోసిందే సిలుకో గుండుల గుంటలాంటి నా గుంట మీద నా మూలాను జల్లిందే మొలకో నీలాల కన్నుల్లో మరిపున్నాడే మేఘాలపై నుంచి ఉరికొచ్చుండే మంత్రం చేసిండే మంత్రం మార్చేసిండే ఏది చేయాలంటే వినడే పిల్లగాడే. Just 2 lines from my favorite song. Maybe somewhere I have said something wrong, but I love this song. And
సో థియేటర్ 100% ఆక్యుపెన్సీ వచ్చేసింది. సో రేపు ఆడియన్స్కి ఏం చెప్తారు సినిమా చూడబోయేవారు?
Yeah, I'm hoping now people will turn up. I think everybody is getting back to normal life in 2021. I think tomorrow they all want to get out and just go to the cinemas and probably wear their masks. See, safety is important. Maintain social distance. Wear your mask. But definitely go and support audience. And everybody is missing cinema now. Yeah, come on, it's Telugu industry, so you have to go to the cinemas and support our film, and I'm hoping everybody will go and watch the film. And soon we will also be having OTT release. Right now, tomorrow we are having Amazon Prime OTT release for abroad, for overseas. But in India, it will be coming soon after the theatre release. But still, I want everybody to watch it in theatre because theatre experience is 100 times better.